Science says one of the fastest ways of killing your goals is by trying to figure out everything before you even begin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to this new video. I am Jasmine and today we are going to talk about the biggest lie we tell ourselves. I'll start when I feel ready. Some people spend months or even years to plan their dream lives, but never actually live it. They have the perfect business plans, they have the perfect morning routines, and they have the perfect camera saved in their cart, but they never press start. And I think the reason is simple. Planning gives us the illusion of progress. It actually makes us feel that we are moving forward without facing the fear of failure. Because as long as your dream is on the paper, it cannot be rejected, it cannot be judged, and it cannot disappoint you. And the moment you take action, it becomes real. Think about it. How many times have you even said that I have a perfect business plan, but I'll start when I know everything? Or I'll start going to the gym when I have a perfect morning routine. Or I'll post my first YouTube video when I have a perfect camera. And the strange part is, it actually sounds logical, but it's the same reason you stay stuck. There is actually a psychological concept which is analysis paralysis. And it happens when you spend so much time on analyzing your options and you try to make the perfect decision, but at the end you come up with no decision at all. Your brain starts asking, what if I fail? What if it's not a best strategy? Or what if there's a better way? And instead of taking one simple action, you keep on researching, replanning, and you keep on waiting. Another interesting thing is that planning can make you feel productive. You write a to-do list, you buy a great notebook, you watch 5 different videos on how to start, and you organize your workspace. At the end of the day, it feels like that you worked really hard, but actually the work done towards your goal was zero because you distracted yourself. I feel like I'm talking about myself. I'm a business owner and a designer, so I did all those things. I still do sometimes without realizing. Damn, planning is a really addictive habit. I was literally collecting stationery like I had the biggest business in town. I kept on organizing my space again and again and again. I don't know why, and it feels like I wasted a lot of time planning, researching, and planning, and I kept waiting for the perfect time, but it never arrived. Literally telling you this from the experience. A pro tip: clarity doesn't usually come before action. Imagine learning riding a bicycle by reading books about balance. You can literally study for months, but up until you actually get on a bike, your brain won't learn what it actually needs to know. Life works the same way. You gain clarity by taking action, by making hell lot of mistakes, and by learning from those mistakes along the way. So what should we do instead? Make a plan, but keep it small. Instead of planning the next 6 months, start by planning your next 30 minutes. Don't start by asking, how do I become successful? Ask, what's the one simple step that I can take today to make my dream come true? Just one simple step. Record one video, write one page, send one email, sketch one design. Small actions actually builds momentum, and momentum builds your confidence. So if you really have been waiting for the perfect moment, this is your reminder. You don't need a perfect plan. Take the first step and let the experience teach you, because actually nobody really has a perfect plan. They just start before anybody else. They just start when everybody else is busy planning. Alright. If this video resonated with you, please subscribe for more conversations like this. Here we are actually going to build the life we are proud of. And please like and share because I'm new here. So please keep supporting. Bye bye.